In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Facebook pixel to Business Manager step by step. Connecting your pixel helps you track website visitors, measure ad performance, and improve your Facebook ad campaigns. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click Data Sources, then select Datasets or Pixels, depending on your account version. If you already have a pixel, select it from the list. If you don't have one yet, click Add or Create, and follow the prompts to create a new pixel. Once your pixel is ready, click Assign Assets, then choose the ad account you want to connect. You can also assign people and set their permissions to manage the pixel. Click Save to apply the changes. If you want to track your website, install the pixel on your site manually or through a supported platform like Shopify or WordPress. Finally, open Events Manager and use test events to make sure your pixel is sending data correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.